Was on YouTube. Welcome back. So it's the evening. We're just going to walk down the strip. We're going to head to the Western Saloon, have a few drinks. We're going to find someone to watch the darts tonight. So we'll get a little bit of footage of Benidorm in the evening and the bar and whatnot. Just trying to put out lots of like little vlogs rather than like a few big ones. Just testing the waters with it, to be honest, and with Benny and stuff. So we'll head down the strip now. The time is nearly 6 o'clock, so it's still early for the strip, but you'll get an idea of it. Xander, come with me, we've got to cross the road. Xander. So one thing to note if you come into Benidorm is watch the crossings on the road, because I don't know what the laws are, so can't argue, but sometimes people stop and sometimes they don't, and you'll see people honking their horns at people crossing the road because they just walked out. But anyway, so we're going to go Western Saloon, so we'll show you around the Western Saloon, have a few drinks, and then we may move to another bar. I think there's a show on in the Western Saloon that we're going to watch, basically Rollers Tribute. So if you want to stick around, watch the content, don't forget, like and subscribe, and drop your comments down below, all right? Let us know where we need to go. Obviously, we've been Benidorm a few times, but there's so many places that you just can't get to them all. So let us know down below. Hope you enjoy the video. It's a skibbity toilet. I mean, like, people say you can't take kids to Benidorm. You can, all right? You just, Benidorm's a different style for you then, right? They're waiting, lovely, thank you. You know, it's just, you're not going to be doing the heavy drinking. You're not going to be mainly hitting the strip. So, like, you know, you want to go down the old town, and like this week we're going to go to the water park. We're going to go to the Mundamar, the zoo. So there are lots of things you can still do and give your kids a really good time. But obviously you just got to be careful and mindful of where you're putting your kids in the situation. You know, you don't want to be walking down the strip late at night and drinking heavily. You know, it's just being sensible. So talking of being sensible, it was rammed in there and it was a bit too loud. So for the kids. So we're going to find somewhere else to chill, watch the darts. But the more astute of you will notice that behind me there is the hotel that they superimposed the Solana onto for the TV show Benidorm. But like, there's like a series of low-cost hotels here, and although they say they filmed in there, they didn't. It was filmed at a different location, and the apartments that they actually filmed are sort of in behind there, overlooking the pool. So it wasn't actually owned by any of the same hotels. But there we go. Some of you will probably know that. There's Mariano's. I see so many bad reviews, but it's always busy, so I feel like you're going to see a few bad reviews for every bit, 1,000 people that go through that place. So we've come up to the 12th man, which is sort of on the end of all the streets. I don't know the road names. I didn't just slip. Yeah. He's let me through, thank you very much. So we're going to pop in there, get a couple of buckets of beer, watch the darts when it comes on. We got about an hour till the darts starts. So I'm just going to pop to the supermarket, grab a bottle of cola for tomorrow so we can get it in the fridge overnight. And then have a chilled evening watching the darts. What have you got? Is that a lollipop? Can I try it? Can I try? Yeah? Oh, yummy strawberry flavour. back, right, I mean, it's not late, but it's about 8:30, 9ish, and we're gonna head back now. Kids are tired, so, you know, we're on holiday, but we don't want to push the kids. It's not fair on them to make them stay up out late, and we're happy to go back. Me and Nikki are coming back in January on our own, so, you know we're gonna come back here and do the late night stuff. Then we're on a family holiday now, so, you know, we've got to make the most of it and make sure they're not overtired as much as they don't want to go to sleep. If they get overtired, they'll be too tired. What's going on here? Oh, they're stopping at Mariano's today. They're just looking at the prices everyone else is. But so what I'll do is I'll vlog down the strip now, back to the apartment, just show you what it's like now, 8:30 at night, and then we'll call it a night there. But for now, let's look down the strip. There's one of the street performers there, sitting very still, but the thing is, she was just asleep. It was easy to sit still then.
You lost Brenda.
Oh my God, you're on the run. But you can see all your little supermarket shops are open, but like I say, don't use them. Don't use them if you can help it. Especially this time of day, they'll rip you off. You go in there, they ain't got prices on anything. You'll notice some things will have prices and other things won't have price labels. And then when you take it to the till, mate just stands there, puts his hand on his chin and goes, €8.90. Bloody hell, it's only a can of Red Bull. But, so we've got the Flash here on the right. So this is where me and Nikki are staying in January. So we'll come and do lots of reviews of the Flash. Show you everything in there. This crazy one, he's all about 6'7" at the minute.
6'7".
Yeah. Kids. I think they invented the meme, don't you? Hey.
I don't think invented the TV.
You weren't there for the troll. The troll face. You weren't there when everyone was getting rickrolled.
I've still seen people getting
Right,
rickrolled
we need
these
to
days.
cross the road, so be careful. Look left. Alright, hang on, because there's people coming from the other side now. Okay, so here they are, coming down the strip now. So there's Morgan 7 all lit up.
Always love a late night Monday.
Late night Monday. You got the Hotel Ambassador. Very nice looking, isn't it?
I know most of you are Garfield and you don't like Mondays.
Garfield don't like Mondays, okay. Waikiki. It's busy, but not, not rammed in there. Again, we'll go down further towards the busier part of the strip though. So you got this weird old gap here, where you got a hotel on one side, hotel on the other side, and there's no bars. It goes a bit quiet. And then you got the square. You got John and Joseph's on the left.
Okay.
So first time we went John Joseph's is when it was split, and you had one on one side, one on the other side. And I think me and Nikki came on our own. We had 2 breakfasts. Well, that's a lie. I had 2 breakfasts myself. So we had 3 breakfasts, an orange juice, and a glass of water, and I think it was about €8. You can't go wrong. Prices have gone up a bit since then, but it's still cheap. Oh, sorry.
Cheapest we can see is 0.75 crisp.
You want crisps? You had crisps.
I know, but like that.
We're coming down now, Western Saloon. So this is where we were hoping to get in earlier for a little bit, but it was just too busy. Bit quieter now. but you know, still really busy out there. So you got your little supermarket shops again. Well, most of these are all open till 4 o'clock in the night. The old man was telling me he went past a shoe shop one night. Someone was asking, why are you open till 4 a.m? It's a shoe shop, but then I guess, you know, drunk people are gonna potentially lose their shoes and need a replacement pair of shoes at 4 o'clock in the morning. There they are, they're open for it. Brown pub, I think that is. Right, Xander, we'll cross the road. Wait, there's a car coming, look. Taxi coming. Right, we'll cross over. I'm just going to say, give you a straight view now of the strip. No cuts. So again, I think on your Club Insomnia on your right, it's a bit like a nightclub kind of feel to it. So we're coming down towards our hotel now. So you got Rockefellers. Wow, I got a bit to go. Yeah, actually, hotel like Rockefellers on the right. This is where you start to get the overwhelming stench of sick. And they do come out and clean it in the mornings, but I watched them this morning from my balcony, and me just kind of zigzags. He's got a pressure washer and he just kind of zigzags it up the road. He doesn't actually really like thoroughly clean the road down. He just kind of zigzags it up and blows the rubbish around. Yes. So you got the red line on the left. But you know what? Considering we've been up and down the strip several times, day and night, well, not night, but you know, evening, I can't say I've experienced anything bad, like, you know, no one bad, no one in massive amounts of excess, but you know, you're gonna get it. I can't say I've experienced and seen anything major yet. Right, across the road, safely. Got the Brit station. This looks like a really nice bar, this, actually. Yeah, fair play, they've done it well. They've got Mr. Bean out front welcoming you in, look. Hello. The famous Rockies on the right. Quiet in there, actually. And there's Mummy and F waiting for us at the gate. So we're back. We're back on the terrace now, on the balcony. We're gonna get the kids into bed. We're gonna, well, probably play some gin rummy, have a drink, and then get to bed ourselves. But so what have we got tomorrow? We're going off to the pool tomorrow. So we're gonna go spend the day at the pool. Maybe go down to the beach, have a little dip in the sea. It's supposed to be a nice day tomorrow, so we're going to enjoy the sun. And then the day after, we're going to the water park. The day after that, we're going to Mundaba, the zoo. So we'll vlog that and try and get some dolphins and things in. So there's plenty more coming. So if you like what you see, make sure you drop that like. All right, make sure you follow and subscribe us. All right. And in January we're going again. So like I say, flood the comments. Let me know down below, what do you want to see from Benidorm? All right. If there's anything that crops up a few times, we'll make sure we try and get there and we vlog it. So that's all. So from us, we say thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.